Hey everyone, greetings from Half-Deaf. Today we are having an unboxing video on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The review unit that I am having is a 64 gig version with 6 GB of RAM and it's a coral blue in color. So let's get started. We have purchased this phone from the official Samsung store. It took only 1 day to deliver this product. So let's cut it out and see what's inside. Now it is done. So I guess you have to pull it out from upside bottom. So let me take the wrappers off. You can see the boxing is so elegant, especially the S9 Plus logo, and the color combination that they have used for the box is very exciting. You have to pull it out. So let me take the box outside. And yes, within this box is where all the magic lies. So we have to cut it out. Here, as you can see, it's written there it's an Indian SIM only. It's basically because this is the review of an Indian retail unit. You cannot put any other SIM. It's known. Okay, so I'm not wasting much time in chatting about that. So let's cut it out and see what's inside. Before going inside, I should say I'm super excited to do the unboxing of this phone, basically because currently it is one of the most rated phone. So yes, let's see what's inside. Yes, oops, actually I was expecting the phone right away, but I guess it's some written note there. Let's pull it up. Yes, you have the phone right there. So as you can see, it's having a very big aspect ratio, so it's super cool. So let's keep it there and see what's inside. So this one is the welcoming notes. Oops, I held it upside down, sorry for that. So this one is the quick start guide, and you also have a clear case attached to it. Plus, so you can see in the sides you have the SIM ejector tool, which is also kind of nice. So keep it aside. Let's go to the phone and see how does it look. As I said, the screen is 84% covered with the display, so it's a merely bezel-less display and looks beautiful. Similarly, in the back side, you can see the glossy finish of the coral blue color, which is stunning. So let us keep the mobile aside for some time and we'll come back to it. Before that, we'll look into the kind of accessories that comes with it. So before taking out, I should say the packaging is super neat, especially the accessories. So here you go, you have the adaptive fast charging adapter from Samsung. So this is their flagship adapter and using some technology called adaptive fast charging. Then you have the USB type A to type C adapter, so which is a good move from Samsung. So if some people want to connect a type A adapter, it's ready to go out of the box. And now here you have a pair of headsets. It's tuned by AKG. It's also very good. Nowadays manufacturers don't include headphones with them, but it's good to have one. I guess it costs somewhere around $100 if you are purchasing from outside the market. And you also have a type A to type C charging cable. And finally you have some extra earbuds. So that's all from the accessory side. We'll keep it aside and now we'll have a good look at our phone. In the front side, you have the proximity sensor, camera and iris scanner. Down the bottom, you have your speaker grills, USB Type-C, microphone and the 3.5mm jack. If you go to the right side of the phone, you have the power button. Similarly, if you go to the left side, you have the Bixby button on the bottom and the volume rockers on the top. And similarly, if you go to the top side of the phone, you have the SIM tray where you put your dual SIM. Similarly, if you go to the back side, you have got the fingerprint sensor, the dual camera setup, along with the heart rate sensor and the LED flash. Now we'll turn on the phone and see how does it go. To be frank, I will not be showing you the complete screen setup as of now because I wanted to do a separate video, a feature set video of the phone. So will be coming out soon. So please bear with me and consider this as an unboxing video. And If you are not already a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing to us, and similarly please write on the comment box that if you feel how about the video or how we are doing, and also consider sharing the videos and the channel and the social media platforms that you can help us improve more on our videos. So that's from me guys. Thanks, have a great day.